One of our favorite things to make as a family are homemade buttermilk pancakes. These are soft, they are fluffy, and they have the best flavor. Come with me today and I'm going to show you how to make them in your own kitchen too. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here and you are officially cooking with Karli. And today, like I said, we are making buttermilk pancakes from scratch. And like you can see the ingredients here. It's nothing complicated, but the results are out of this world. I think I developed this recipe and was kind of testing with it like 4 or 5 months ago. And I think we've eaten them and made them as a family every Sunday since. It's kind of become a tradition to make pancakes and eggs and bacon and like all of the good breakfast foods every Sunday morning. And these pancakes are always the star. So let's talk about our ingredients. I just have some all-purpose flour here, granulated sugar, some baking powder, salt, butter, vanilla, eggs, buttermilk, and a little bit of regular milk. That's all you need to make the batter. First thing we're going to do is add all of the dry ingredients into a bowl and whisk them together. I should tell you too that in the description below you can find the link to the printable version of this recipe, so it's nice and easy for you when you go to make these pancakes. So the sugar is going in along with the baking powder. Oh, gotta get that all on there. And our salt. Just gonna grab a whisk and whisk this all together. Next, we're going to deal with our wet ingredients. First things first is we want to get this butter melted. So I like to just mix all of my ingredients using this one measuring cup. It's the 4-cup Pyrex measuring cup. It makes it really nice and easy. I'll show you why in just a second. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave for like 30 seconds just to get this butter melted. Quickly, before the microwave beeps, hurry and go like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below and let me know what you like to eat your pancakes with. I like them with bacon. Our butter here is melted, and now we need 3/4 cup of milk. And can I tell you that 3/4 cup of milk plus the butter that we've melted here, all you have to do is pour milk in until you get it to the 1 cup. So convenient and easy, right? So I'm just going to measure out until it's to 1 cup. And then next, our buttermilk is going to go in. We need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. So I'm going to measure that until it says 2.5 cups because we already have 1 cup in there. 1 cup plus 1.5 cups is 2.5 cups. Perfect. That's exactly how much I needed. And then our vanilla is going in and our eggs. I'm just going to grab another whisk here and whisk all of our liquids here together. And that melted butter will probably be like slightly melted, slightly solidified because we put it together with the cold milks, but it's all good. Don't need to worry about that. Now we're going to just slowly pour the liquids into the dry ingredients while we're whisking, and that is going to make it so there are like little teeny lumps, but we don't have big giant lumps. So slowly pour your liquids in while you start whisking. All right, our pancake batter is nice and thick. If you like a super thick pancake, then just, don't add quite as much of the regular milk. You could do like 1/2 cup instead of the 3/4. If you like your pancakes thinner, you can always add a little bit extra just to your preference. This is how we like them at our house though. All right, I'm going to grab the griddle, bring it out, get it preheated. We're going to preheat it to about 350 degrees. Spray it with a little nonstick spray and we will get these pancakes cooking. Okay, pan is hot. I'm going to spray it lightly with some nonstick spray, and then ladle out our pancake mix. Obviously, like the size of the pancakes, totally up to you. I like to do just about like 4-inch pancakes because I've got little kids. And these actually freeze really well. So I always make a full batch. My family usually eats about half of what I make. And then I freeze the rest, and then you can just pop them in the microwave for like 30 seconds on each side, and they're just like new. All right, we're going to let these cook here for, I don't know, like 30 seconds, minute or so. You'll know that they're ready to flip when the tops start bubbling and the edges are not quite as glossy. You can tell that the edges are kind of cooked a little bit, and then you are ready to flip them. Just make sure your skillet or griddle, whatever you're using, is not too hot, or else by the time it indicates on the top with the bubbles and everything that it's time to flip, the bottom is going to be burnt, which we don't want. So 350 degrees is usually right about perfect. I'm gonna check this guy. Ooh, that's looking good. Okay, let's flip these. And I have to say, I can do a lot of things really, really well. Flipping pancakes is not one of them. I always seem to flip them on top of each other. So we'll see how I do today. So far, so good. I did only put 6 on here, and I usually put 8. So maybe 8 is my problem. I try to squeeze them all on too tightly or something. All right, you can see the pancakes are puffing up, getting nice and thick. I'm excited to eat one of these. All right, first round of pancakes are up. I need a plate. Are you gonna get it? Thanks. Oh, you can get me a kid plate? Oh, thank you. All right, pancakes. Should we do another round? We always make what we call bubble syrup, but I think most people recognize it as buttermilk syrup with our pancakes every Sunday morning. So what it's made of is buttermilk, sugar, butter, vanilla, and unplug this, and baking soda. The baking soda makes it bubble up, and it's all foamy, and it is so good on these pancakes. My mouth is watering right now. So good on these pancakes. So that is how we always eat these. Comment below, let me know if you want me to do a separate video teaching you how to make our bubble syrup. If you just want to make it though, I will leave the link in the description so you can get that recipe and make it with your buttermilk pancakes also. These pancakes have become a tradition in our family. We make them literally every Sunday, and I would love for them to become a tradition in your family too. So give them a try. They're going to blow your mind. They're the best pancakes ever. And I don't say that loosely. I really think these are the best buttermilk pancakes.